OpenAI, the company behind the popular generative AI tool ChatGPT, could be forced to wipe its chatbot and start over permanently, according to a new report from NPR. The wipe may come as a part of a potential lawsuit, which may also see an OpenAI fined up to $150,000 for each piece of copyrighted material used to train the language model. ChatGPT has caused a stir since its launch in November. Especially users have found ways to generate the AI tool. One of its own has used ChatGPT to train for a half marathon, and you can see AI generated reviews too. The success of the language model could have come at a steep cost. Language models such as GPT 3.5, GPT-4, which makes ChatGPT generative AI work, are trained on third-party data. OpenAI has created a web scraping bot that can pull information from websites to train GPT model. The problem is that OpenAI isn't relying only on freely available non-copyrighted stuff. It's also using copyrighted material to train its AI model, that too without permission. According to a new report, the New York Times said that they are currently discussing suing OpenAI after updating its terms of service to prevent AI from scraping its articles and images to train language models. The exact nature might bring upon OpenAI is unclear, but experts feel that OpenAI paying up to $150,000 per infringing piece of content. Further, the lawsuit could force OpenAI to wipe ChatGPT and start training over its language model again, something that will essentially cripple all the work the company has done so far. This is the first time that OpenAI is under fire from lawsuits. Well-known author like Sarah Silverman has banded together to sue the company for similar concerns.